In this video, I am going to show you how to troubleshoot payment issues on Fiverr. To resolve any issues with your payment, try these options. 1. Contact your credit card company or PayPal. If you attempted a payment through a credit card, contact your credit card company to make sure there isn't an issue with your account. Or if you use PayPal, we recommend contacting PayPal to ask for clarification on why the payment failed. 2. Try a different payment method. If you use a credit card, you have the option to use PayPal instead. If you use PayPal, please try using a credit card that is not attached to the same banking institution. 3. If you try to purchase only once, then you may want to try one more time. To try again, start the checkout process from the start. 4. Don't click the Go Back button on the browser or refresh the page. If you have tried all these options and everything is working on your end, but the payment has still not gone through successfully, you can always contact their customer support. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. You can visit the Fiverr website in the link description. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I will see you on the next one. In this video, I am going